Vande Mataram students, welcome back. So I hope you remember we were listening to a story about the mice that ate balance. So till page number 20 we have heard the story. So last part was that Jiva took Janak's son to his house to collect the sweets, isn't it? Do you remember? Yes. So next move on to the next story. What happens? When Janak's son did not return for a few hours, he went to Jiva and asked, Jiva, where is my son? I am sorry, said Jiva. While I was coming, a big eagle swooped down upon him and carried him away. What nonsense, shouted Janak. How can an eagle carry off a young boy? So, children, just what happened? Janak said, your aeroplane has been eaten by mice. He said, okay, forget it, and he went away because he wanted to teach him a lesson. Fine. So he took his son and he went to his house. So a few years later, he remembered that my son has not come back. Janak remembered. So what he said, he went to Jiva's house and asked, where is my son? For many hours he didn't come back to home. Where is my son? He asked. Then Jiva told, I am sorry. Then what he said after telling sorry? He said that a big eagle came, okay, from up in the sky. A big eagle came downwards. Swooped means moved rapidly downwards through air. How the birds fly in the sky, have you seen it? And how it comes down to the earth? Yes. Rapidly the eagle came down and carried your son and went away. Carried that boy. Which boy? Yes, Janak's son, and took him away, he says. Then Janak became very angry. He said, what nonsense, what is this? Why are you telling like this? How can an eagle carry a young boy? Is it possible? Is it possible, children? Can an eagle carry you people? Small children? Think. Okay, can a bird carry a young boy of 5 or 6 years or 7 years? Okay, next we will see. The argument turned into a fight. The matter had to be taken to the village court. The judge listened to both the parties and ordered Jiva to bring Janak's son to the court. Otherwise, he would be sent to jail. My lord, said Jiva, how can I, when an eagle has carried away the boy? Stop this nonsense, the judge shouted. How can a bird carry away a young boy in his talons? Children, so they both friends started fighting. Okay, he said, give my son. Then he said, no, your son has been taken by the eagle. So when they were fighting, it was a fight. So they have to solve this fight. To solve this fight, they will be in the village. They will be calling one panchayat, or will go to court if some big work is there, or big we have to solve some case. We'll go to the judge. Okay, we'll go to the court, isn't it? So these people also went to the panchayat. There, judge listened to both the parties. What they said. He also told something. He also told something, and again Jiva told, how I'll give his son. The eagle has taken that son. Then even the judge become angry. What nonsense you are telling? Just how a eagle can carry the boy? Judge said like this. Okay. He said, stop this nonsense talking, both of you. How a eagle can carry a young boy in his talons. In his talons means what, children? Claws. Okay, we'll just catch the child in the claws and go away. Is it possible? Let us see. If mice can eat an iron balance, why can't a bird carry away a grown-up boy? Answered Jiva. Then he narrated the whole story to the judge. So at this moment, what Jiva said, if mice can eat iron balance, okay, why can't a bird take the boy? He said like this. After telling this, they were confused what he is telling. So he narrated all the story. From beginning, I am telling you a story in 2 videos, isn't it? That same story he told to the judge. After listening to the story, let me see the decision. Let us see what happened. Decision, okay? Final decision. The judge then warned Janak and asked him to speak the truth. Janak felt sorry and returned the iron balance to Jiva. Jiva returned the boy to Janak and said, my friend, here is your son. I was trying to teach you a lesson in honesty. So judge, what he will do? He just listened to what Jiva says, the whole narrated his story. He told of the full story. Okay. After telling the story, then he said, Janaka, you speak the truth. Okay, what you did. You speak the truth. Before what happened, both of you, what you were talking, that thing you speak, judge said. Janak felt very sorry. Okay, he was just talking nonsense thing, isn't it? Nonsense thing like 8 balance or my seat. It was a nonsense. So at that moment, he felt sorry, and he gave that iron balance to Jiva only. He brought the iron balance and gave to Jiva. As soon as he gave the iron balance to Jiva, so what Jiva did? He returned the boy to Janak. The boy was in his house. He returned the boy to Janak. So Jiva said, "My friend, this is your son. Take." And I was trying to teach you a lesson. That the lesson what I told you in the beginning, I told you, no, honesty. So children, you should be honest. We all should be honest, isn't it? We should not talk something nonsense. That is not possible at all. Fine. So such a beautiful story, isn't it? We enjoyed the story from last 3 videos. Did you like the story? Yes. So if you don't understand much, means what you do, just ask your parents to narrate the story in Kannada or Hindi. Okay, children, enjoy the story. So today's work is that you try to read the story, and from this story you put the heading in the margin, put the date, put the heading in the margin, and which words you feel difficult, new words from the whole story, around 10 to 15 words which you feel difficult, just write down those words. Remaining work we will do it in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.